Hey, so we're working on a CRM here, and we want to add a little column that shows us the maximum. So here's deal value, and there's a few ways to get the maximum. I can actually just do this with conditional formatting. I can select this column, go and use color scale, and this color scale is just saying, hey, the maximum is going to be this dark green. I even put a number here for the minimum, so like only anything above a certain number is going to show. But I don't necessarily like this. I sort of just want to say, where is the actual maximum? Now, can delete that color scale, and I can add a single color here, which is a custom formula, and that's just going to be equals C1 is equal to maximum C:C. And what this is doing is it's going to color this one. Where is it? Oh, no, maximum max. There we go. There it is. So 95,000 right there. So this formula C equals C1 equals max C:C will get you this custom formula, and it'll just highlight it. But that's all cool and well, but I want to get something that's a little bit more, I don't want to say visual at all, but I just want to have a column here. And I'm going to add a emoji, just something different, something you wouldn't normally see. And I would just do here if this is equal to max C:C. So same formula idea here, just in if. And we're going to say, well, if it's true, do something. If it's false, do nothing, essentially. Or even put an emoji here, like a blink one, white. But if it's true, put an emoji here that's green. There, it'll fill everything here and there. Boom. Next to that is 95,000. So I don't mess with the coloring or anything. I'm just adding a little showing of extra information, a visualization that pulls my eye a little bit. It does use a whole column, but I think it's pretty fun. It's pretty cute, right? And it's just using an emoji to show a maximum. But if you want to do more stuff like this, I would totally recommend going to bettersheets.co/char, CHAR/playground. You can get there from the main website, bettersheets.co now. But this is just absolutely like, it's almost 2,000 now. Really cool little formulas that are going to visualize with emojis and characters what's going on in your sheets. You can do counters, timers, even pickers, layouts. There's stuff for writing, there's stuff for Star Wars, there's stuff for Lord of the Rings. You can actually put in a progress bar that's like taking the ring to Mordor. Some really fun stuff. Go check it out at bettersheets.co/char/playground. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have two options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.